Hello everyone. Are you ready to provide exceptional customer service using QuickBooks in 2023? In this video, we will show you how to set up QuickBooks for customer service, from managing customer information to tracking interactions and resolving issues. Learn how to use QuickBooks to enhance your customer service and improve your overall business operations in 2023. So, let's get started. Make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. The first thing that I will need you guys to do is simply launch your browsers and then go to the URL section and search for QuickBooks. So let's do that. Here we go. Let's remove this and search for it. Now let's click on the first link, which is Intuit, and it is the QuickBooks. So Intuit, QuickBooks. Now, simply here, guys, I'd like to tell you that you can actually get any kind of plans that they have. So they have three main plans. You can get it any one from these for only $1 for the upcoming 6 months. So whether you are new to that or you'd like to have it, I really suggest you guys to actually go for it because it's gonna cost you like $6 in total for 6 months of using this platform. And trust me, guys, this platform is super good. So now let's go and find the pricing so I can show you the packages that they have, the features, and of course the pricing after the 6 months. Now let's go to here. They have three main packages: the Simple Start, Essentials, Plus. The Simple Start will cost you around $17 per month. In case you'd like to actually go for the free trial, it will cost you $1 per month. And the same thing for Essentials. It will cost you $1 per month if you want to the 6 month, and 26 if after like the 6 month. And for Plus, it will be 36. Now for the features, you'll have, of course, here the same features in the normal one, in the better one. So the first one has track income expenses, send custom invoices and codes, connect your bank, track GST and VAT, insights and reports, capture and organize receipt, progress invoicing, and for one user plus your accountant. So you can have actually two users using this package. For the other one, you have the same features in here, in this place as well, but you'll have four more features: manage bills and payment, track employee time, multi-currency, and for three users plus your accountant. So here you have four users in total. The same thing goes for here. The same thing that are in here are here, but with some extra features like recurring transactions as well, track inventory, track project profitability, manage budget, and for five users plus your accountant. So six users in total. Now, let's try and get an account real quick just by signing in here. I have already an account. You can just click on free trial and you will get it. So sign in and let's use this account. And it will actually log us into my account as I think. So here it is. I think this is my password if I'm not wrong. Yep, it is. All right, that's perfect. So just wait a little bit until it loads us into my account, and here we go. So let's wait. It has something wrong. Let's reload the page. Okay. Here we go. So tell us about your business here. So your legal business name here, the industry. Let's choose whatever, what type of business you have, partnership, sole trade, and here, how long have you been in the business? So 1 year or 2 years, and then click on next. Here, what's your role in your business? Bookkeeper, accountant, employee, it's something else, or owner. Let's go for owner. Do you have an accountant bookkeeper right now? No, but I would like help. I do it all myself. Next, what would you like to do in QuickBooks? So now we are going to actually have some customer service. So that's gonna be for example, manage inventory. That will help actually our customer. Send and track invoices, organize your expenses, and you can actually track your bills and retail sales. So it has nothing to do with actual employees, but it has to do something from each one of these. So let's go with done. And here we go. Now we are on the dashboard, which is the main page that you will open when you first open your account correctly. And now guys, let's start with our actual customer service. So what we're gonna do is simply go here and add some customers. So here we go. I have clicked. And simply here, you will have to fill this information about your customer. For example, the company that they work for, display name as, for example, company X. Here the same thing, X. Title, first name, middle name, last name of the director or whatever is like communicating with you from from this company or the customer himself. Here, their email, phone number, mobile or fax even, and some others like these are not really necessary. The only necessary part is having a display name. Finally, when you finish with all of that, you can also give some informations about the address, add some notes, tax info, payments and billing, language and attachment. And when you finish with all of that, just head over here, click on save, and here you go. You have actually added a customer to your actual dashboard. Now from here, it is so easy for you to actually manage your customers. If there is any invoice to send, you can just go over here and create an invoice which has says receipt, estimate, charge, time activity, or make an active. So this is all things that you can actually do through here. Let's do, for example, create sales receipt. You can just click on it, and here you go. You just have to add their email. Of course, if you had added like everything in their information, everything here will be added directly. So all the product that they are selling or something like that, they will be added here directly. For me, I didn't fill this information, that's why I have it empty like so. But of course, there will be some stuff that you will have to add by your own self. For example, the reference number, deposit to, payment method, and here this says receipt date, and finally here some attachment or something like that that you want to add later on if you'd like to. And when you finish with all of these, you can simply just go and save and send, and it will be actually sent to them by email. So you don't really have to do anything, guys, by your own self. You just have to do this using this dashboard, and everything will be good to go. So this is a really good actual platform to use to have a control of your customers, service, and have a really good relationship with your customers. So guys, that was it for today's video. If you have any kind of problems or questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I will make sure to answer all of your questions. And if there is any hard question to answer by writing it in the comments, I will make sure to even record a new video about it and explain it to you. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next videos in the upcoming days.